Justin?
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Windrock, 2 weeks?
Windrock.
Windrock.
Oliver Springs.
Michigan or
Tennessee. We're from K-Pack, Michigan, boy. So we're gonna do a winch with an RC bumper in preparation of Windrock. I already went ahead and did the winch, the fairlead, and the hook in there. Hopefully that doesn't bite me in the ass later when we're putting it on. But I don't think you can put the winch in there.
I don't think you're putting it in after.
When the bumper's already in, so. We got the old RC bumper. And then if we get really crazy, we're gonna do some, probably the world's best rock lights.
World's best.
Soupy. 5150? Nah, not around these parts, boy. So we got some Soupy rock lights, RGW, or RBGW, Jesus. Yeah. But that's what we're doing in prep for Windrock. Our first big trip, Justin.
First big one.
Yeah. Give the old RS a good test.
Nice, smooth, not rough break-in.
Yep. All right, according to Can-Am's website, you don't have to pull the top plastic piece off, but we found there was no other way to get the stock bumper off. Bunch of what, T30s, 10 mil bolts.
Yeah, T30s, 10 mil, 18 mils for your main A-arm bolts, because there's no way you were getting to those top bolts with the radiator down low. No way.
Some 8mm headlight bolts, 10mm fan shroud bolts. And then we just zip tied the radiator up and then got to those bolts or those nuts down there.
I think it should.
Ooh.
Might have to jack it up.
Just watch the threads.
Woof.
There.
Oops, sorry about that. No threads left.
We'll just weld them. Yeah.
I don't know if we gotta reuse that piece, but... Yep.
XRC bumpers next. All right, got the old bumper in, got the winch in, got the front hood on, fenders on, lights hooked back up, and now we got the panel off where all right. We got the solenoid hooked up already. Now we got to run our wires to the front of the machine to the winch, and then we got a switch over there we're gonna put in, and then it also has a switch that goes right here that you can plug in a remote. That way you can control it outside the car, outside the side-by-side. What do you call them, side-by-sides or cars?
I was hearing buggies.
Buggies. I like buggies better. So yeah, almost done wiring. That's all we got to do. That's it. What do you think, Justin?
It's going pretty good. Can-Am factory stuff's really nice install.
Yeah, it is.
Fits really nice. Everything's got spots and...
Yeah, I like how the solenoid mounts in here. because you only have 2 power wires going back. Oh, you know what, Justin?
Yeah.
I gotta pull that back out because we gotta connect the power wires from that to that, and it's behind.
You're killing me.
But yeah, that's gotta come back out. But yeah, it fits in there nicely. Comes with a little clip nut and a bolt that mounts up there, that gold one. Then you got 2 30 amp fuses, 50 amp fuses. That goes right to the bar there. But yeah, nice and clean, everything fits nice. All right, here we are in the 11th hour of the winch install. So turns out you have to go underneath the driver's side, and there is a, let's see that light. There's a little white connector here that's plugged way up there, but it has this accessory connector to it, connected to it, and then you have to unplug the dummy plug, plug your harness into that plug, and then put the dummy plug on your harness. Otherwise, it will not get any power, even if everything's hooked up. So, the old Can-Am instructions were no good.
Not great.
It didn't really tell us where that plug was. Luckily, we got Justin's XRC over there, so we looked at that and found that plug. But we were pretty stumped there for a second. Other than that, we're doing good, dude. It's only been about 4 hours. But that solenoid sits in there nice. I think I already showed that, but that's very pleasing to me.
The green, blue, and the blue.
Oh yeah, so this is how we have it wired. Which, it says blue, you go to blue. Black to black wire on this guy. And then bottom green to green and blue. The Can-Am instructions say otherwise. Let's see here. Of course, it's not gonna.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, well, it basically told us to put the blue on the bottom and the green on the top, and it even said the colors might not match up. And we did that, and then the winch was wired backwards, so the out was in, the in was out. We swapped those wires back to what we thought in the first place, and it works. Yeah, that's our little update.
69 hours later, we got the winch in there.
Nice. 69.69 hours later.
Day 3.
Day 3. We finally got it installed. Got the old toggle switch. Got the other switch in the glove box. Bumper, winch. Looks good. You think we're ready for windrock?
I think so.
You think I'm ready for windrock? Emotionally, I don't think I am.
I don't think you're ready for windrock.
I'm not ready for scratches and bumps and rollovers and.
I don't think anyone's ready.
Yeah. All right, cool. Got the winch on, bumper. We're good to go here.